It can spot a rabbit's twitching whisker from 2 miles away, before you'd even notice a dot in the sky. This isn't a drone, it's a bird. The golden eagle looks majestic, peaceful even. National symbols, nature documentaries, but underestimate it, and you're already dead. Here's what makes it truly terrifying. It doesn't just spot prey, it calculates. Eyesight 8 times sharper than yours, locked onto a target, diving at 240 miles per hour, faster than a falling skydiver. And when it hits, talons clamp with enough force to crush bone instantly, a grip 10 times stronger than a human hand. There's no warning shot, no second chance. Right now, somewhere above you, something might already be watching, and it already knows exactly where you're weakest.